Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. And you have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application. Of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have user manual, tap at this line and then tap at the button at the bottom. And right here it opens user manual for us in your browser. And we have 6 sections. Tap at the best one for you, let's say I wanna user guide, and right here we have information about it. Or charge. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.